Find the number of divisor and sum of divisor of 60. Okay, first thing we need to do is to factor 60 sa kanyang prime factorization. So 60 is the same as 30 times 2 and 30 as 15 times 2 and 15 as 5 times 3. So ito na ang ating prime factors, 5, 3, 2, and 2. So we can write that as 5 times 3 times 2 times 2. We can write that further as 5 times 3 times 2 squared. So yan ang factors, prime factorization ni 60. So dyan na tayo magbe-base. Okay, so first, hanapin natin si number of divisor. So the number of divisor is given by this formula. So D of n is equal to E sub 1 plus 1 multiplied to the quantity of E sub 2 plus 1 all the way up to the quantity of E sub k plus 1. Okay, so our E is the exponent of our prime factors. So si 5 meron tayo ditong exponent na 1 and then si 3 meron din tayo ditong exponent na 1. So our E sub 1 is yung exponent ni 5, then E sub 2 is yung exponent ni 3. Then for E sub 3 is yung exponent ni 2. And then plug in lang natin dito sa ating formula. So our n is 60. Our E sub 1 is 1 plus 1. E sub 2 is 1 plus 1. Then our E sub 3 is 2 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. And then if you calculate this one, 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12. So ito na ang ating number of divisors. Okay, for our sum of the divisor, so that is given by this formula. So it is denoted by, so para siyang sigma. Okay, so ganyan siya. And then our p values is yung mga base. So our p sub 1 is 5, p sub 2 is 3, and p sub 3 is 2. And then i-plug lang natin sa formula. So our n is 60, p sub 1 is 5, e sub 1 is 1 plus 1 minus 1 over 5 minus 1. And p sub 2 is 3 raised to 1 plus 1 minus 1 over 3 minus 1. Then last, we have p sub 3, so that is 2 raised to 2 plus 1 minus 1, that is 2 minus 1. Okay, so 1 plus 1, so that is 5 is squared, so that is 25 minus 1 all over 5 minus 1 is 4. 3 raised to 1 plus 1, so that is 3 squared, so that is 9 minus 1. And 2 raised to 2 plus 1, so that is 3. 2 raised to 3 is 8. 25 minus 1 is 25 minus 1 is 24 divided by 4, so that is 6. And 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 8 minus 1 is 7. Divided by 1 is just 7. And then multiply lang natin. 6 times 4 is 24. And 24 times 7 is 160. So ito na ang ating sum of divisors natin. So that is 168. Okay, so that's it. So thanks for watching. Bye.